Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's going to completely change how you create content. We're talking about Capcut, but not just the basics. We're unlocking the hidden secrets of its powerful AI to help you create stunning, professional-level videos for free. You might think you know Capcut, but I promise, you haven't seen anything yet. We're going to explore how to command the AI, find hidden features, and ultimately build something incredible together as a community. So grab your phone, open up Capcut, and let's get started on this journey. First things first, let's talk about the Capcut AI. It's not just about auto captions and simple filters. This AI is a creative partner waiting for your direction. The secret isn't just using the tools, but knowing how to talk to them. Think of the text-based editing features. When you're generating a script or editing by text, be incredibly specific. Instead of just saying, make a video about a sunset, try a command like, create a serene 15-second video montage of a golden hour sunset over the ocean, with slow, gentle transitions and a peaceful, ambient soundtrack. The more detail you give the AI, the more refined and accurate your result will be. It's like talking to a professional editor. You need to communicate your vision clearly. The AI understands adjectives, pacing, and mood. Use them. Now, let's get into some of those special commands and hidden features. One of my favorites is the AI movement tool. You might have seen it, but are you using it to its full potential? Apply it to a static photo, and instead of just a generic zoom, play with the different movement types. You can create subtle, slow pans that add a cinematic feel to your still images. Here's another pro tip. In the Adjust settings, don't just slide the brightness and contrast. Go into the HSL, Hue, Saturation, Luminance tab. This is where the magic happens. You can select a specific color in your video, say the blue of the sky, and make it richer and more vibrant without affecting the skin tones of your subject. It's a professional color grading tool hidden in plain sight. Let's combine these secrets to make an amazing video right now. Start a new project and import a few photos or short clips. First, let's use the AI script generator. Go to Script to Video and type in a detailed prompt. For example, a 30-second motivational video about starting a new day, opening shot of a sunrise followed by someone making coffee, then journaling. Use an inspiring, upbeat instrumental track. The AI will generate a script and find stock footage or use your media to match it. Now here's the secret sauce. Once the video is generated, don't just export it. Go in and tweak it. Swap out a clip the AI chose for one of your own. Go to the Adjust tool and apply a custom filter using the HSL method we just talked about. Maybe boost the oranges and yellows in the sunrise shot. Then add AI-generated captions and choose a cool animation style for them. By layering these AI tools and adding your personal touch, you elevate the final product from good to incredible. So how do viewers actually see this? When someone is scrolling through their feed, the first 3 seconds are everything. A video made with these techniques will have an immediate professional polish. The colors will pop, the movement will be smooth, and the captions will be engaging. A viewer might see a dynamic intro you created from a still photo using AI movement, followed by perfectly color-graded clips, all tied together with a narrative driven by a well-written AI script. They won't see it as an AI video. They'll see it as a high-quality, captivating piece of content. The secret is that the AI does the heavy lifting, but your creative direction makes it unique. Your video stands out because it feels intentional and polished, not generic. Now this is where things get really exciting. Capcut isn't just a tool, it's a social platform. We can all unite and help each other grow. Have you ever noticed the template section? This is our secret weapon for unity. When you create an amazing video using these techniques, don't just post it. Turn it into a template. Just click the option to post as a template before you export. This allows other creators to use your exact video structure, effects, and timings with their own clips. This is how we build a community. Imagine creating a viral trend not just with a sound, but with a unique, high-quality video template you designed. So, how can you become a team player and make Capcut famous while even creating opportunities for yourself? Start by actively engaging with the template community. When you're scrolling through Capcut, look at the bottom of a video. If it says Capcut, try this template, click it. Use templates from other creators. Find creators whose style you admire, follow them directly within Capcut, and use their templates. Leave comments, offer feedback. Then, contribute your own. Make it a habit to turn your best work into a template. Give it a descriptive name like Cinematic Travel Vlog Intro or Vibrant Foodie Recipe. By sharing our best work, we all get better. We create a library of incredible, high-quality templates that elevates the entire platform. To find each other and build this unity, you need to know where to look. On the Capcut home screen, you have the Edit tab, but right next to it are the Templates and Inbox tabs. Spend time in the Templates tab. Search for keywords related to your niche. If you're a fitness creator, search workout motivation. You'll find templates made by others in your space. Follow them. Your inbox is where you'll see notifications when people use your templates. This is how you connect. This is our virtual team hub. By actively participating here, we're not just users, we're a collective of creators. As Capcut grows and more people recognize it as a hub for top-tier templates, creators who establish themselves early on could see massive growth, brand deals, and monetization opportunities. We rise by lifting each other up. Let's put it all together. You start by mastering the AI with specific commands. You use hidden features like HSL and AI movement to create stunning visuals. You then share your polished work as a template on Capcut. Other users discover your template, use it, and follow you. You, in turn, discover and use their templates. We're creating a powerful, collaborative ecosystem. This collective effort makes the platform better, attracts more users, and showcases the incredible power of Capcut. We're not just making videos. We are building a movement of creators who are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with free tools. We become a team, and our success becomes intertwined. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into Capcut's AI features, experiment with detailed commands, and start creating. And most importantly, share your work. Post that template, let's build this community together and show the world the incredible power of collaborative creation on Capcut. Thank you so much for watching. If you found these secrets helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Let's make something amazing.